say, and this junk been on my mind real heavy since today because this all I've been seeing down my timeline back to back to back to back. I ain't even know dude, but I will send my condolences to him and his family and pray for them to God through prayer, which you are originally supposed to do. What y'all doing is wrong and disrespectful. What y'all doing is using this man for clout. What y'all doing is acting like y'all was cool with dude, y'all used to talk to dude, y'all used to support dude, that y'all really love dude. That's all fake, bruh. When he was here, where was the love and support? When he was here, where was the story with shares y'all all posting on? When he was here, where was the comments? When he was here, where was the likes? Because I'm peeping all this all today. People I follow are posting him back to back that ain't even support him and say, hey, this my friend, this, that, and the third, go like his stuff, da 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 da. Y'all ain't do none of that. So why y'all over here showing love to this man, saying y'all love this man, when y'all didn't even talk to the man? That junk is disrespectful and wrong. And what y'all doing right now is dancing with the devil. I'm telling y'all that. Y'all are doing anything for clout. Y'all doing anything for views, anything for likes, and y'all need to stop that junk. I'm really like a really spiritual person. I'm a really person that really has a relationship with God. No, I don't really talk about it much because I don't feel like it's none of y'all business. But what I am going to do is not hide my God and hide the wrongs that y'all doing, because I can tell through my eyes, y'all ain't really love this man. Y'all ain't really support this man. Y'all doing this junk for views, clout, likes. He didn't gain like 80,000 followers today just by y'all posting him. Y'all could have been did that. Y'all could have been supported that man. But now that he the topic, now y'all want to support him. I see. So it takes a person to something happen to them for y'all to show love for real. This is a real messed up world y'all in. Some of y'all people not even using social media correctly. Y'all need to delete y'all page right now, like as we speak. But I'm gonna just put it into God's hands. I don't even let y'all know, and y'all probably already know what y'all doing is wrong and disrespectful, not only towards him, but to God and his loved ones and family. I just really had to say that's been on my mind all day. Seeing all this fake love. I didn't even know dude. But I prayed for dude to send my condolences to him. I didn't even have to post about it. What y'all doing is fake. Fake ASF. Period. Y'all need to stop. For real, bro.